Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to break down what variables are in C#. Let me explain in 5 minutes, but we are going to explain it like if you are kid. Because yes, C# can be simple if someone explain it right. So if you ever got confused by terms like what means strings, int, bool, or float, after this video you will understand them perfectly. Alright, imagine you have a box. Yeah, a box. You can put something inside that box. A box is a variables and like little containers in your program where you store information. For example, in C# before using a box, you need to label it. You need to tell C# what type of thing is going inside. Let me show you. Right? A string. And you see what means a string. Let me see. It's very easy. Strings are basically text, letters, words, sentences, your name, your love name, even your secret crush name, everything text. For example, I would put name, whatever you want, I put Mr. Reese, and you see what happened. Let me explain. You must need double quotes. I fix it. I need to write in console. And watch this. It works very easy. And let me explain what it is int. Let me explain what means int is a box for whole numbers. Ints are integers, which means whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 100, 2025, 2026, basically anything that doesn't have a decimal. Int, we put number, put 2025, we read in the console Mr. Reese 2025. It works. Very easy. What is float? Very easy. It's almost the same int, but it's not the same. Float is a box for number with decimals. Float store numbers with decimal like 3.14 or 2.5 for the amount of money in my bank account. For example, I put money. How much money account? 50.19. You see what happened. Remember, pay attention that little f at the end is mandatory because floats like to feel special. And I fix it. We put other example. It works. It's very easy. And the latest is bool. Bool is a box for yes or no. Booleans only have two possible values, true or false. Like I like switch on or off, yes or no, pizza or actually there's no, or we always choose pizza. For example, bool, are you single? False. False. Very easy. What happened is was true. It's true. It's very easy. Alright, now you know exactly what variables are in C#. Like the video, hit the button, subscribe, and tell me what other C# topics you want to explain. Like you are 5 years old. See you in the next one.